Hey YouTube, Mark here. It's my night to make dinner tonight, so I got things laid out. We're going to have crispy chicken tonight. This is one of the things that we love. It's also something that Jen can't have since she got diagnosed and had to change her diet to keep her blood pressure down, so you know, the low sodium thing. But this is one of the things that the family can have when she's off working, which she is off working tonight. But there's a step that's involved that I like to do with my kids. If they make this, they do this step, but they don't do it how I do it. Okay, so this is how I do it. Okay, so here's my chicken that I'm going to use tonight. As you can see, I've already separated the thighs and the legs. And as you can see, I've got more legs than I have thighs because, well, I'm keeping extra thighs set aside for a barbecue chicken night later this week. So I've got 3 thighs and 9 legs all together. And I'm just going to put them in this bag. These are completely thawed. And as you can see, they're also skinless. Now you can leave the skin on if you want, but I think we're finding that we like the skinless version a little bit better. Okay, now with all the chicken in the bag, I am going to put in 3 eggs. And this is the part that the kids kind of step across. You know, they don't follow what I do. They'll put the eggs in and coat it all up and then just go right into putting the crispy breading on. I actually like having my chicken sit in the eggs for a few hours before I actually put the breading on. It's just something that processes in my head that makes it a little bit better, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to zip this up. You're not taking all the air out either. And you're just going to just shake it around. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on this little tray here. I'm going to put the whole bag in the refrigerator and just let it sit there and let it marinate. I'll come back every maybe a couple hours, flip it over, and just keep doing that. Okay, while that is in the refrigerator, just kind of mellowing out, we can go ahead and actually start making the breading. It's a dry mix, so you can make it ahead of time. Okay, here are the ingredients that you're going to need. 4 cups of just plain corn flakes. Nothing, they're not sweetened or anything like that, so don't go out and buy the frosted flakes or anything like that. You want 4 cups of them. Got a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of Cayenne pepper. Okay, I'm going to do this in my food processor. Again, you don't have to if you don't want to. You can stick everything in a Ziploc bag and just keep on crushing it until it's pretty much a pretty fine powder. I'm just going to put everything in here. I'm going to lid it up. I'm just going to run it until everything is well combined and broken down. There, that looks good. Okay, here's the mixture. Got a few large pieces in there, but it's pretty well mixed together. That looks good. Okay, so I've dumped all the cereal mixture with the cheese and salt and cayenne pepper all in this little bag. Now what I'll do is that when I'm ready to cook it, I'll take all that chicken out of the egg, stick them all in here and just shake them up real good and get everything nice and coated. Put them on a baking pan, probably with a rack underneath, like a cooling rack, just to kind of keep the chicken up off of the grease and stuff that will actually come out of the chicken. And I'll just bake that for, kind of depends on your chicken and how big the pieces are and blah, 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 blah. 350, 45 minutes. Okay, I'll just say that. All right, so I'll see you guys when I'm ready to bake. Okay, so I got my chicken with the egg in here, and now I'm going to put all the pieces into here and just shake it all up and coat everything. And just keep going until everything gets coated. Okay, into the 350 degree oven. Into the oven for 45 minutes. Okay, sorry, I actually had to make a run up to Madison to pick up some stuff for my friend Dell. He got another set of saddlebags from a lady off of the Facebook Marketplace. And I had to go up there and get them because, well, he's a truck driver, he's out on the road all the time. So I actually missed pulling everything out of the oven, but as you can see, it looks good. Everything looks really good. I just have to reheat it. And the chicken is nice and crispy still. And yeah, I'm hungry, time to eat. I'm reheating my, my food in the microwave, and I'm gonna chow down. This is Mark saying thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the road.